they've hated it, but definitely it's an iconic film. Why do you think it is?
Well, because I think that a lot of the peoples of the earth relate to being hungry and wanting more. And comes to a country where there is freedom, and he says, I want everything.
Yeah.
Not just my part, I want everything, you know.
So it's been remastered.
Yes.
What can people see in this whole new remastered version?
Well, first of all, it's amazing now.
Christopher, where's your ball? Where's your ball? Where's your ball?
There are also a ton of bonus clips.
What's your name?
You can say hello to the newly remastered Scarface in the movie section under Movie Collection.
Say good night to the bad guy.
This week marks the 10-year anniversary of the terrorist attacks on September 11th.
Good job. It's your ball.
Presents a series of documentaries that look back on this dark day in American history.
Good job. Bring it over here. Bring it over here. Hehe.
The National Geographic Channel asked the question, 9/11, where were you?
The call came in, a large aircraft down in the Shanksville area. Fuel falling smoke from
This mess. Da 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 da.
Nobody would have thought it was a plane. We found this very large hole where the plane went down. There were splat fires and plane parts everywhere. We did a very short search around the site, and we couldn't help anybody on that plane.
And MSNBC presents 9/11, Day of Destruction, Decade of War.
2001, 19 operatives from Osama bin Laden al-Qaeda killed 3,000 Americans.
Yucky. Be careful. Christopher, be careful. Christopher. Don't eat the fan. Yucky. Don't eat the fan. Yucky. Yucky. That's yucky. Where's your book? Where's your book? Where's the book? Get your book. Where's your book? Where is it? Where is it? Yay! Good job! That's your book. Good job. Yeah. Good job. Thank you. Thank you. Want to look at your book? What's the cow say? Is that a cow? What's the cow say? Moo. Moo. Is that a duck? What's a ducky say? Quack, quack, quack. That's a cow. What's a cow say? Moo. You gonna wash the cow? And there's the pig. What's the piggy say? Oink, oink, oink. What's the fish say? No, that's not what the fishy says. Ready? Christopher. Arms up. Good job. Arms down. Arms up. Arms down. Arms up. Good job. Can you whistle? Can you whistle? Good job. Can you whistle? You done? Are you done whistling? Where are you going? Uh-oh, you lay down? Uh-oh. Jellyfish are coming to get you. Jellyfish are coming to get you. The bumblebee's coming to get ya. Bzz, 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 bzz. What's the tiger say? What's the tiger say? Roar. Roar. Yeah. It's a tiger. That's a tiger. Hello. Hello. That's a funny noise. What's that noise? That's a funny noise. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Christopher, wave bye-bye. Bye-bye. Christopher, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hi. Got a plant? Plant. That's a plant. It's a plant. You don't like it? You say bye-bye? Bye-bye. You're going to eat the chair. Christopher, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. What is that? Can we read my horoscope? That mommy's hand. Turn it over. Dada's home. Here's Dada. Here comes Dada. Where's Dada? Where's Dada? Dada. Dada's home. Dada's home. Wanna go to the door? Wanna go to the door? Where's Dada? Where's Dada? Go see him. Go see him. He's coming to the door. Here comes Dada. can't get up there, silly. Where's Dada? Dada. Taking a long time to come in. I don't know where he is. Da. 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 Gonna close the door? Close the door. Close it. Good job. Here comes Dada. Look, here he is. Where's Dada? Where's Dada? Come over here. Come over here. Open the door. There you go. Where's Dada? Where's Dada? He's a Dada. Let him open the door.
Christopher. Christopher.
Moving too much.
Okay.
So, buddy.
Dada!
Ooh.
Yeah.
Hey. Hey, what's going on?
Nothing.
How's it going?
Pretty good. Say bye-bye. Christopher, can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Good job. Bye-bye.